how to join Pinterest affiliate program. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's talk about the affiliate program or affiliate marketing related to Pinterest. So there's no actual program that you're actually going to join, but what affiliate marketing is we're utilizing Pinterest over here to promote our affiliate links and affiliate products. So first things first, you need to have your own affiliate links, whether it's from Amazon or any other platform. After that, what you're going to do is we're going to create postings in Pinterest. So we're going to click on create over here and we're going to create our post. You could use ChatGPT over here to help you generate your different captions or different data. For example, here we have our example of our caption over here. So I'm just going to copy paste this and paste it in our description over here. Now, for this bag name over here, what I would recommend that you guys do is you put in your affiliate names or affiliate links that you have. You could also use Canva over here to easily create your designs or your pictures for your Pinterest. So in Canva, you can easily create this type of design. If you look at my layers over here, I just put together very basic things like the image of the bag, some duotone effects, and some noise over here to create a very simple design, but nonetheless looks pretty well. So what you're going to do is you're going to download it from this, click on download, and you're just going to upload it into your Pinterest. And we will be having our Pinterest as your source of promotion. So we will be utilizing our Pinterest over here. Since a lot of people utilize Pinterest, it will be our promotional platform. So we're simply going to copy this and paste it there. You could even post your blogs in this page. And so when you publish this, people will be able to see your bag over here. And of course, they're going to check your description, your title, and they will be able to see your links. If they're interested in the bags that you are showing here, they could be redirected to that link. And through that, you will be able to achieve some affiliate marketing. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.